With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In the given problem, we have been given a matrix. That is E, which is a function of theta, is equal to this matrix, and then we are also given that theta and phi differ by an odd multiple of pi by 2. So we can say that theta minus, this is phi minus theta, which is equals to odd multiple of pi by 2. So we can say that 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? And then we have to find the value of this e theta into e phi. So first of all, let us write the value of e theta. So e theta is this matrix which is equals to cos square theta, and this is cos theta sin theta, right? And the other entries are cos theta sin theta, and the last entry is sin square theta, right? And now we have to write the value of, now it is e phi, right? We know the relation between phi and theta. So we can write the value of phi as theta plus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So the value of this entry cos square theta gets replaced by 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus theta. So this becomes 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and this becomes plus of theta, right? Similarly, second entry is cos theta. Instead of theta, we are going to write this as theta plus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? And this is sine of theta, so that becomes equals to theta plus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? Now we are going to write the other entries also using this equation. So this becomes cos of, this is again theta plus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and this becomes equals to sine of theta, so that becomes equals to theta plus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, and the last entry is sine square theta, so this becomes equals to sine square, and this is theta plus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, right? So now in the problem, now we have to write the simplified form of e phi. So we can write this as e phi. Now we can write this as cos square of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus theta. So if we assume the value of n equals to, let us say 0, so this becomes pi by 2 plus theta. Now we know that value of cos of pi by 2 plus theta is basically minus sine theta, but this is square, so this will become sine square theta, right? So we can write this as sine square theta. Now this expression becomes minus of sine theta into sine of 90 plus theta, that becomes cos theta. This will become cos of 90 plus theta, so that is minus of sine theta into cos theta. Again this will become sine square of 90 plus theta, so that would become cos square of theta, right? Now finally we have simplified this. Now we have e theta, we have e phi. Now we are going to multiply these two matrices according to the problem. So this becomes e theta multiplied by e phi, right? So this value becomes, now we have to perform the multiplication. So for that we are going to multiply the row 1 with column number 1. So this value is obtained as cos square theta into sine square theta, and cos theta sin theta multiplied with minus of sin theta into cos theta. So this becomes cos square theta into sin square theta minus of cos theta sin theta into cos theta sin theta, right? Now second entry is also multiplied. So how do we obtain that? We have to multiply row 1 with column number 2. So finally we can write this as cos square theta into this one, that is minus sin theta into cos theta. So this becomes equals to minus of cos cube theta into sin theta, and this is cos theta sin theta multiplied with cos square theta. So this becomes plus of cos cube theta into sin theta, right? Cos cube theta into sin theta, right? And now the row 2, that is this row cos theta sin theta and sin square theta, is multiplied with this column. So we can write this as sin cube theta into cos theta, sin cube theta into cos theta, and this becomes minus of sine theta cos theta into sine square theta. So again minus of sine cube theta into cos theta. Right. Now we have to write this row multiplied with this column. So this becomes minus of sine square theta into cos square theta. So minus of sine square theta into cos square theta, and this is sine square theta plus into cos square theta. So this becomes plus of sine square theta into cos square theta. Now clearly we can see that E of theta into E of phi is equals to, this gets cancelled, so this becomes 0. This gets cancelled, so this also becomes 0. This also gets cancelled, so this becomes 0. And this also gets cancelled, so this becomes 0. Finally, all the entries are 0, so this is a null matrix. So appropriate answer is option number 1.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.